Hello everyone! Hello there! Nandito ako sa doll room. Magandang umaga and thank you very much. I am finally back dito sa vlogging ko. And can you see my dollhouse? I will do a video of that separately, yung Barbie house tour. And bago ko dalhin yung isa sa B house kasi two Barbie dream houses is too much for this small room. You see, naka-clutter na yung aking dresser and I couldn't close anymore the dolls kasi nga I need to open the cabinet, yung glass cabinet for my porcelain dolls, and this is the anti-humidity machine. So kapag sinara ko yung aking glass cabinet for my porcelain dolls, pwede siyang mag-build up ng humid. So inano ko na lang siya, binuksan ko na lang siya, and temporary nilagay ko muna yung aking dresser dito while I enjoy playing my Barbie doll house. So I will do a separate video about my latest craziness, my Barbie doll collection. Well, matagal na akong fan ng Barbie. Since I was a child, no, matagal na, pero syempre nga bawal. So now, I am enjoying it, no. Pakita ko lang sa inyo ng very light para meron kayong idea kung ano ang mahihintay nyo para sa next vlog ko for my Barbie doll house. This house is not a Barbie dream house. It is from Kidcraft and it's made up of wood. Tapos ito yung isa, yung aking Barbie dream house. Look at that. So that's how I play my Barbie. Look. And this one. And this one. Wow. Diba, cute. Kukwento ko sa inyo yan. Sa next vlog ko, gagawin ko yun. Pero for now kasi, I'm going to work starting at 5 p.m. until about 9:30 p.m. Time check. It's 12:30 in the afternoon. And mag-vacuum muna ako ng bahay. And maglilinis lang ako, and then papasok na ako later on. Mag-prepare ako. So look at that. I am surrounded by clutter, pero beautiful clutter naman siya, di ba? So now this one is my vacuum cleaner, and I am going to vacuum the floor para wala akong mga dust mites, and then I am going to do the bed. Okay, so this is my mirror room. It's a shoe cabinet. And natapos na ako sa aking doll room. And here, sa aking mirror room. And then I am going to do the TV room. So let's do it. So here we are dito sa TV room. And katabi ng TV room is of course my laundry room. And this is the laundry room. Ito na lang yung mga paplansyahin ko. And these are my laundries. So ito yung mga white na nakasalang na dun. And then these are light colors. Ayan. And these are the black. So hindi ko siya lalabhan ng all together now. Only when the laundry box is full, then it's time for me to wash. So like this one, naka-set yung aking white colors, and this is white and very, very, very light colors na laundries. Ayan, and I just love my figurines here. So dito ako nagpa-plancha. This is my kabayo and the plancha. And of course, I have here some cute pictures and the Philippine flag and some basket containers. Here is the ballerina figurine magnet and the basket, laundry basket. And ito pa yung mga tutupiin ko na black na nilaban ko siya. So this is my laundry area. Actually, ano to, diba? Sabi ko, it's a heating room. Dahil dati, ang laundry area ko is doon sa mirror room at saka doon sa toilet and bath ko. Kaya lang, ayokong magsama yung napakaganda kong toilet and bath and the mirror room. Kasi doon sa mirror room, lalong nagka-clutter and nagtatambak yung mga planchahin ko. So, mas maganda dito sa maliit na area para meron akong feeling na kapag tinatamad ako magplancha and nakatambak yung mga planchahin, feeling ko punong-punong-punong-puno na. So, I need to do the ironing. Hindi naman talaga ako nagpa-plancha ever since the world began. But then, since I moved here 20 years ago dito sa Switzerland, nag-start na ako magplancha kasi dito, plancha is life, you know. Magre-reflect yung personality ko, yung character ko sa sinusuot namin ng asawa ko. Lalo na kapag nakita ng mga ibang tao yung damit ng asawa ko and then hindi siya planchado, medyo kapintasan sa pagkatao ko. So kaya I need to do the ironing. And now, I will just do here a little bit of dusting and vacuuming. So, hindi ito nagagamit itong TV room na to masyado kasi mostly nandun kami sa taas and sa mga kwarto-kwarto namin. So, yung doll room, dun ako natutulog kapag may pasok ako the next day. Pero kapag day off ko, dun ako natutulog sa master bedroom and kasama ko yung asawa ko. And ito pa yung aking winter jacket na ginamit ko yesterday. So, niladlad ko lang dyan para mag-freshen up ng very, very light. And these are also my winter ear protection and my hand gloves. These are the altar and some collections that I got when I was traveling before. Pero now, ayoko nang mag-travel, Tay. As in, I think I have been to the places na gusto kong makita and mas nagfo-focus na lang ako magstay sa bahay. I think that's much, much better. And then, nandito yung aking coat hanger. So, lahat yan, mga ginagamit kong winter coats. And kailangan ko rin siya ligpitin. These are photo albums. Ito, starting from letter A, ito yung nag-start akong magpunta dito. So, yung mga photo albums na yan, before wala pang mga Facebook, so wala pang mga social media, and so, kaya meron ako mga photo albums. Pero now naman, pwede ka naman na magpa-print and gagawing book yung iyong mga photos. Pero I don't do that anymore. And this is just a look for my winter garden. So this area is only used during summer kasi walang heater dyan sa loob. And you can see the garden. And yan yung mga bagay-bagay. Binili ko to sa charity shop. I don't know, it's a baby deer. I don't know if it's real. Pero dadalhin ko siya sa bee house. So nandyan siya. Yung kabayo din, dadalhin ko sa bee house ito. And probably this also stool. This is an antique stool from my father-in-law. So, maraming bagay-bagay. Pero for now, magda-dusting and magva-vacuum lang ako dito sa area na to. Meron pa akong basura doon and that is balikbayan box. So, I have here balikbayan box. These are balikbayan boxes and these are the things na ilalagay ko pa sa box. May mga laman na tong boxes na to. Ipapadala ko siya sa Philippines. Pero ang laman niyang mga boxes na yan is yung mga things na hindi na ginagamit dito. Yung dapat itatapon na siya or mga sobra like pinaglumaang sapatos ng asawa ko, pinaglumaang mga damit or yung mga platong hindi na ginagamit, mga basong hindi na ginagamit. I might as well send it to the Philippines kasi doon dalawa yung bahay and kailangan ko din ng mga gamit. Instead of buying new things, mas maganda na yung gagamitin ko yung mga pinaggamitan din namin kasi masyado ako sentimental and gusto ko kung ano yung ginagamit din namin, yun din yung gagamitin ko. So, ayan siya. Ayusin ko siya. Alright, so nandito na ako sa aking toilet and bath and I am going to prepare to go to work. And maayos na, nakaligpit na, nakapag-vacuum na ako ng lahat ng bagay. And of course, nalinis ko na ang lahat ng aking toilet, pati sa taas. So, meron pa ako bukas na time to do some household chores. And of course, sa Sunday and Monday, day off ko na naman. And we're going to stay here. Hindi kami pumunta sa bee house kasi my husband has an appointment on Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. So he has to be here. And I will see you later. So nandito na ako sa aking working place. And ito yung susi. And that's my earphone. That's very important to place it there. And this is my locker na soon magbababay na ako. And I place my shoes here kasi medyo basa siya. So, let's do it. Work, work, work! So they are working. I just did that. Ginawa ko yan kanina. And then now, I have a break time. And ito yung food I will show you. Masarap. So, merong egg soup. And this is a Szechuan soup. Merong fried rice. And then, fried noodles, fried rice. Tignan mo yung tahong. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Ito gulay masarap. This one is nice. Ito baka. Tapos ito, something like treated pork or something. I just don't know. That's a Peking duck over there. This is a chicken and shrimp. Look at the shrimps. Hello. And dry things. Those dry things. It's nice. Pero to be honest, wala akong ganang kumain. Wala pa itong dim sum. So may dim sum actually, pero hindi pa siya ready. Merong masarap na sushi special. And the fruits. And this one, I just don't know kung anong kakainin ko. Kala hindi ko alam kung ang kakainin ko. I think magsusupa ko and baboy. So, I think this is all for now. I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you very much. And good appetit.